So I went to buy the pumpkin, but I found the butterscotch and I said I have to make the dish with this instead of pumpkins today. And this is going to be extremely rich in fiber and in protein, because I'm going to use the channa dal, which is rich in protein, the lentil. You'll love it. The most amazing part about this vegetable is that nature has thought so much about it, right? That you can store this for months together. It doesn't get spoiled. Yes, after you cut it, it definitely will get spoiled and you need to keep it in the refrigerator. But before you cut it, it stays for months together. And because it's fiber rich, full, very, very dense in fiber, it helps in digestion and constipation. We take nature's gift for granted and we neglect such amazing vegetables which he has offered, like the pumpkin, the red pumpkin, or the orange pumpkin, whatever you call, and also the butternut squash, which is we get it in the States, but now we get it in India too, and it's so flavorsome. It is so rich in vitamin A, which can help us with our eyesight, and we just easily get into putting drops and just wearing our spectacles, where we can have food which will help us repair it. The recipe and the method how to make it is in the caption. When you try it, please do let us know how you like it, and I am sure you're going to love it.